Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's been a really long time that I have been posting out videos. It's because of basically school, SPEC test or state test, and so much stuff that I've been really busy. So today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to edit on Roblox. So if I would be on Roblox right now, I would literally just copy my Roblox character while they're doing something, or screenshot it, or something, whatever. Could get it off the, like, literally the internet. And, basically, this is the thing that you will have to do. I have a little folder up here, right there. And so I always keep my stuff in there. So I'm going to be using this person, or let me see another person that would like to join me. Not you. Well, this one is a really good one. Okay, now let me do an edit of this girl right here. Let's put you in my new folder. And then we're gonna go the Pixeler. Pixel is the best. It's the best thing in the world. I got a new background. You do not see any faces because it's the dark. I need help. Okay, let's open an image from my computer, aka something right there. I found it. Okay, since it's already the background is already like transparent, we're gonna close this. We're gonna choose a background. So I already chosen a background. Hold up. Background. I'll choose a background. BRB, guys. So basically, if you have a picture from the internet and has a transparent background, like the one that I just showed you guys with the little black thing, the checkered thing in the back, it means it's transparent. So we're gonna open the image from my computer that I chose as my background. It's right here. It's cherries. I don't know what's with me and cherries and all of a sudden, but let's go ahead. Let's move y'all up. Let's open a layer. Let's do a new layer. So the new layer, we're gonna open image as layer, not do as layer. So if you take one like that, you're all done. But if it's your Roblox character, you guys have to press the wand tool, click on it, and then you click right there, and then just press delete on your keyboard, and then you're literally done. And that's literally all you have to do. I might show one with me, my character from Roblox, in a video with my magic wand tool. So if you guys want to move them like that right there. And that's all, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Have a really nice day. And I might be doing a Fortnite characters thing, whatever. Yes. Okay, I might be doing a new character. I might be doing a new character on Roblox. It's gonna be like different. It's not gonna be a noob. If you guys watch my old videos in Roblox. So, see y'all later. Bye.